guys, welcome back to our channel, Twing It!
So before we get started, we just want to say make sure to
subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video.
So these are three of our best friends. This one's Claire, that one's Dawn, and this one's Addie.
Peace!
Also known as Addison. So what we're doing is we have 5 different rounds, 5 different slimes. We are each giving them a part of the slime, and then they have to give it their own weight. So the first slime that we're doing is the galaxy slime. So we're going to start with Ron and Claire, but let's give them another 10 seconds to have them make the final decisions.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so let's start with Ron.
I think it's good with the color, and I like the sparkles in it, but it's a little lippy, so I'm going to give it a 8 out of 10.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Okay, now it's Claire.
Okay, so it's really like everything's good, like Lauren, it's a little rich, like Lauren said, but I like the color, a good amount of sparkles and everything, and no sticky or anything. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
That's not bad. Okay, now it's Addie.
So it is very good at like crunchy sounds, like I just showed you. So I really like it, but then like it's whippy, but it does have a lot of glitter that I like, because I really like glitter. So my mom would never let me have glitter, but I will give this a 9.5.
Okay, not bad.
Isn't it funny that it goes from Addie has the highest, then Claire, then Lauren?
I already put the slime back in. Okay, so our next slime is going to be the chocolate one with the chocolate chips. So this time we're going to start with Addie and Claire, but let's give them a few seconds.
I'm always going to go like second or first, because I'm in the middle.
Okay, so Addie, let's go start with you first.
So I really like this slime. It's a beautiful butter texture, and I love how there's like chocolate chips.
Oh, okay,
So I'm going to give this a 9 3/4.
Ooh, so a little bit more than last time. Claire?
Okay, so it's really good. The texture's everything. It's good. No rippy or anything. It's very stretchy, but here's the one thing. When you play with it, it feels like it sticks to you, but really it doesn't. So it's really cool slime. So I might give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh! Okay, Lauren's turn.
So I like how it's like buttery, and it has chocolate chips in it, and it's like doesn't really stick. So I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh,
Wait, I have something to say about
Addie has
this.
something to say.
So it's kind of like peanut butter,
Yeah.
or like cookie dough.
Yeah, okay, so before we move on to the next time, we just want to give a few shout outs. So Addie, you can go first.
So a shout out to Neighborhood Hangout
And
my brother Drew
and
Kirsten and Ryan. Oh, and I also wanted to give another shout out to Iceline.
yeah, she's a hockey.
I love hockey, and that's a hockey place, so. Okay,
Yeah.
so Addie, any more shout outs? Oh, also, here's a. Oh, can you also, let me just see something. You can see it, maybe a little bit. Hang on. The camera's
This is chocolate chip.
Oh.
Okay, so Addie
Well,
has
she's trying to show you chocolate.
Lauren has one more shout out. Lauren has one more shout out. Who was that to?
The Dylans.
Okay.
And I have a shout out to Upward. So I play basketball there.
Actually, almost everybody plays.
I play Upward. So we all play Upward except Claire,
Because
sadly.
she's a hockey player. So
And
that's
it's
good.
kind of funny because everybody plays basketball except for Claire's, but Claire's the only person that plays hockey. Yeah, but I also like basketball. Another thing is that we all play soccer except Lauren. Yeah. That's crazy. Sorry. Like we're all missing one sport. Except for wait, what?
Okay, so our next
I was
slime.
going to play softball this year until quarantine happened.
Okay, so our next slime is the pineapple
My
queen.
favorite slime! Oh, yes. Wait, where's the charm? Is the charm in here?
It's in the rest of the slime. Just kidding. We took the charm out. You okay?
I took the pineapple charm out. In one of their other videos. This time is really good.
Yeah.
But it's kind
Okay, so this time we're gonna start with Claire.
Okay, so it's really good and everything. A little like grippy, and it feels like a little clay a little bit. So, and if you can see, it's like I don't know what this is, but it's like
linked to
resistance. Yeah, it's like
Residue.
resistance and stuff that's out. So
This is like a cloud cream. Oh, I love cloud cream slimes. But when you have cloud cream, we may like it may have came with a little too much snow in it that it just has too much and it just puffs
yeah,
out.
so I might give it a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
And I also want to tell you something that it's because of this stuff that's in, and it feels a little clay, and I want to feel a little more. Yeah. And I wanted to feel like a little more slimy, so it feels a little bit clay and slimy.
Okay, so Addison.
Okay, so this is like hard to stretch, and it does leave residence on your hands. But I love pineapple, so I really like this one. So I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10.
Good. So moving on to our next song. Oh, Lauren has to do it. I forgot.
I think it's really good. I think you should buy it. And I like how it's pineapple, and I like pineapple, so I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay, so that's a good weight. So our next slime is going to be this ocean one. That we have two of the same. The really
The small servings, because when you play with it a lot, it gets really big.
so there's the faces. You couldn't see the faces the whole time.
Yeah, can I have a little bit more?
Yeah.
It's bigger.
Yeah. So I'm gonna give everybody a little bit more because everybody got a small amount.
And who wants to play with slime with that tiny amount?
He was you.
Yeah, I love small slimes.
Yeah. So
Olivia served this time.
let's
And
start. Olivia will start with the next person.
I love this.
And this is the second to last round.
So, Lauren, what you think?
I think it's really good. It's stretchy and doesn't really wet. And the color's really nice. And I think I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, 10 out of 10. Second 10 out of 10 for you, right, Mom?
Well, no, that's a third.
Good. That's a lot of good slimes.
I should think.
Okay, Claire, what is your vote?
So,
Actually, Addie, what is your vote?
so my vote is really good. Like, I love the color. And this is actually a Play-Doh slime.
Yes.
So,
We didn't mention that.
they're really nice slimes. So, and it's like a buttery texture, but it's not like super buttery. Like it can spread, but it's not like super buttery. So yeah, I'll give this 9 3/4.
Guys, if you were wondering what me and Claire were talking about, we were talking about if Claire should subscribe. Of course she should subscribe. And okay, you guys. And all of you guys should subscribe too. So, and hit the
And I'm
notification
actually
bell.
and give it a big thumbs up. So I'm actually gonna subscribe like when I get home because we're at their house. So I have to sign in. That's why I didn't do it before. So I need my mom and make sure to like all their videos. Yeah. They
So,
still look good.
Let's go back to it. Let's go back.
Okay,
to
so Claire,
Oh.
what's your vote?
So mine will be like probably like 10 out of 10. But I need to I need to talk to you guys about it. So it's really good. It's very stretchy. It's no rip or anything. Not rippy. It's really good. And I also like this as like blue ocean.
Alright, so
Okay, 10 out of 10 for me.
So that was a second to last slime. Please put your slime back in the container.
Woo.
And our next slime, Addie will grab for you guys. It is a purple glossy Nickelodeon store-bought slime with some beads in it. So this time, you're going to start with
Little jelly.
Addie. But we're going
Wow.
to give them a
This is really
We're going to start with Claire.
So,
Raise your hand if you got to go first once.
No.
Addie, do you not get first?
no, she did.
Yeah,
I did.
both of you guys got to go more than once. So Claire.
So, I think I would, like, it's really like jelly. It's like a jelly slime, I feel like. So, and the beads are good in there, and it's colorful, look. Yeah. So, yeah. It's really good, but I would just want it to be a little unjelly, but all slimes have a different personality. Okay, so I'm giving this a 9 out of 10 because I just want it to be a little less jelly. Okay.
Addie.
Okay, so I really, really like this slime. I like how it's like colorful and all the beads, and I like it. I like the color, but it is jelly, like Claire said. And so yeah, I'll give this a 9 out of 10.
Okay, Lawson.
Woo!
So I think this sounds really nice, and
Finish it.
it's jelly, so I really like jelly slimes and like cloud slimes, and it's just a teensy like whippy, but it's really good. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
Okay, so that is the end of our video. Hope you guys watched this. And we also did a sneak peek. We're gonna post that
It's
afterwards.
behind the scenes.
Yes, we're gonna do another video with these guys. So yeah, hope you guys liked it.
Bye.